Why are you fucking looking at me? Go on, someone's gonna do it.
What are we doing? What do you want me to do, Samuel?
You gonna do it? Just fucking go skid the fuck out of him, dude. Scream loud. Scream loud. Shake him.
Is it water?
No, don't fuck with the water.
Wait, let me see that.
Oh, no, I'm just kidding.
Dude, that's...
I'm just fucking.
Hey, did you see the inside too?
Yeah.
Yeah, I came back. Yeah, they even have that look.
Oh.
Hey, stop.
That would suck, man. Might have a heart attack, dude. Right? Different shit.
Damn, Chris, you fail! What are you supposed to do?
I didn't make a sound, dude.
I told you, just go under. You failed, dude.
He was trying to be too sleek.
I know, man.
Oh, you already stopped recording. Oh man, I think you're recording whatever.